1. One accident could change your insurance bill. Imagine you have been a safe driver for years. Then, one day, you cause an accident. Nobody is seriously hurt, but your insurance company now knows you were at fault. The next question is obvious. Will your insurance rate suddenly increase? Maybe. But there is one feature that could protect you from that increase. It is called accident forgiveness. But does it really keep your rate unchanged? And is it worth paying extra for? Let's find out. 2. What is accident forgiveness? Accident forgiveness is an optional feature offered by some auto insurance companies. It can prevent your premium from increasing after a qualifying at-fault accident. Instead of treating the accident like a normal claim, the insurer may forgive that first accident. But there is an important detail. Accident forgiveness does not automatically apply to every driver or every accident. The rules depend on the insurance company and your policy. 3. How does it work? Let's say you normally pay $1,500 per year for car insurance. Then you have a qualifying at-fault accident. Without accident forgiveness, your premium could increase at renewal. With accident forgiveness, the insurer may keep your accident from causing the normal surcharge. That could save you a significant amount of money over several years. But remember, the accident itself does not disappear. It may still appear on your driving record or claims history. The forgiveness mainly affects how your insurer calculates your premium. 4. Who usually qualifies? Eligibility can depend on your driving history, how long you have been insured with the company, your age, your location, and the type of accident. Some insurers offer accident forgiveness after several years of safe driving. Others may include it automatically for certain customers. Some require you to purchase it as an optional add-on. And some companies may have restrictions on the number or severity of accidents that can be forgiven. Always read the policy details. 5. Does your rate really stay the same? This is where many people misunderstand accident forgiveness. If your policy says the accident is forgiven, your base premium may not increase because of that accident. But your total insurance bill can still change. Why? Because insurance companies can adjust rates for other reasons. Your insurer may change its overall pricing. Repair costs may increase. Your location may become more expensive to insure. Your vehicle may become more expensive to repair. Or other factors affecting your premium may change. So accident forgiveness does not guarantee that your entire insurance bill will never increase. 6. Is it worth paying for? For some drivers, yes. For others, probably not. If you have an excellent driving record and rarely make claims, accident forgiveness could provide valuable protection against a major premium increase. It may be especially attractive if you want predictable insurance costs. But if the feature is expensive and you have a long history of safe driving, you should compare its cost with the potential savings. Do not buy it simply because the name sounds reassuring. 7. What about multiple accidents? This is another important point. Accident forgiveness usually does not mean unlimited forgiveness. A policy may forgive only one qualifying accident. A second at-fault accident could still affect your premium. There may also be limits based on the driver's history, vehicle, accident severity, or policy terms. So before buying it, ask your insurer one simple question. Exactly what accident will you forgive, and what happens if I have another one? 8. USA and Canada differences. Accident forgiveness rules can vary significantly between states and provinces. Insurance regulations are not identical across North America. The availability, eligibility requirements, pricing, and effect on your premium can therefore be different depending on where you live. That is why you should not rely on a generic online explanation alone. Check your own insurer's policy and local regulations. 9. Final decision. Accident forgiveness can be valuable protection, but it is not a magic shield against every insurance increase. Before buying it, check 3 things. How much does it cost? What exactly does it forgive? And how much could your premium increase without it? If the potential savings are much greater than the cost, it may be worth considering. If not, you may be better off keeping the extra money and maintaining a clean driving record. The smartest insurance decision is not always the cheapest option. It is the option that gives you the protection you actually need. If you found this video helpful, Subscribe for more simple guides about car insurance, personal finance, and smart money decisions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.